What certifications actually help independent adjusters get deployed faster? And once you have your license, what separates the adjusters getting called for storm work from the ones who are still waiting on roster emails? In this video, I'm going to break down what certifications independent adjuster firms are actively looking for right now, what each certification actually does, and which ones help you qualify for more deployment opportunities. By the end of the video, you'll have a clear idea of where to focus your training if you want to become more valuable to independent adjusting firms in 2026. If you're new to independent adjusting, it's easy to think that getting licensed is the finish line. But in reality, most independent adjusting firms are looking for more than just a license, especially during major catastrophe events when carriers need experienced, deployment-ready adjusters immediately. I'm going to walk through some of the most common certifications that firms are looking for, explain why they matter, and help you understand which certifications may fit your career goals the best. This information comes directly from the current industry hiring trends and feedback from independent adjusting firms preparing for storm seasons. Why certifications matter. When hurricanes, hailstorms, wildfires, or floods happen, insurance carriers need adjusters deployed quickly. Independent adjusting firms often don't have time to fully train people during those events. That's why certifications matter. Certifications show that you're already understanding things like estimating software, carrier procedures, property damage evaluation, safety protocols, and compliance requirements. In many cases, adjusters with the right certifications are the first ones firms call when the claim volume spikes. The most valuable certifications. Xactimate certification. One of the biggest certifications you'll hear about is Xactimate. Xactimate is one of the most widely used estimating platforms in property claims. Adjusters use it to write repair estimates, calculate labor and material costs, and document damage. Many experienced adjusters recommend getting at least a level 1 certification and ideally a level 2 if possible. Industry discussions consistently point to Xactimate proficiency as one of the most important skills for property adjusters entering the field. If you want to work residential property claims, this is one of the strongest investments you can make. HAAG certification. Another highly respected certification is HAAG training. HAAG focuses on roof inspections and storm damage identification. It teaches adjusters how to recognize hail damage, wind damage, installation issues, and other roofing problems. Because so many catastrophe deployments involve roof claims, HAAG certification can make you significantly more marketable during hail and hurricane season. FEMA flood certification. If you want to handle flood claims, you'll need FEMA's NFIP flood certification, sometimes called the FCN card. Without it, you cannot handle the NFIP flood claims. This certification becomes especially valuable in states like Texas, Louisiana, and Florida, where flood deployments are common. Carrier certifications and specialized training. Many carriers also require their own internal certifications. For example, State Farm certifications in policy, estimates, or auto are often required before handling their claims. Adjusters online and throughout the industry frequently mention carrier certifications as a major factor in getting deployments and assignments. There are also specialized certifications that can expand your opportunities, including rope and harness safety training, FAA drone certification, IICRC restoration certifications, SimBility estimating software training, and Spanish language certifications. The more specialized skills you have, the more flexible you become to independent adjusting firms trying to staff claims quickly. What should new adjusters focus on first? If you're starting out, don't feel like you need every certification immediately. A practical path for many new independent adjusters looks something like this. 1. Get licensed. 2. Learn estimating softwares like Xactimate. 3. Apply to independent adjuster firm rosters. 4. Pursue carrier certifications when opportunities open up. 5. Add specialized certifications over time. A lot of successful adjusters build their certifications gradually as they gain field experience. The important thing is continuing to increase your value and deployment readiness. If you want to learn more about certifications, licensing, and how to become a successful independent adjuster, check out the full article of everything I talked about today in the description below. And if there's a certification that I didn't cover in this video, please leave a comment below and let me know. I love hearing from you guys. The adjuster who gets deployed consistently are usually the ones who stay prepared before the storm season even starts. Licensing gets you into the industry, but additional certifications can open up more doors once you're in. And if you found this video helpful, consider liking, subscribing, and turning on the notification bell for more videos covering certifications just like this one. Until then, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.